Do you know this is Poland's ultimate sky defender? Meet PSR Pilica. This Polish very short-range air defense, DestroyerOf, anti-aircraft missile and artillery system is designed to protect critical assets and infrastructure from aerial threats. The system is armed with a 23mm twin-barrel autocannon, and the rate of fire is 2,000 rounds per minute. It also incorporates Grom or Piorun short-range surface-to-air missiles and has a range of 2-3 miles. It works in a semi-automatic system, targeting and destroying targets after confirmation by the operator. Would you dare to operate this deadly machine?